Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Gianna Lauren Beauty. Please continue watching if you want to see this Ariana Grande look from her new video, Boyfriend, that will be coming out on Friday. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and also hit the bell for notifications so you can see all my upcoming videos. I am going to have a lot more coming soon. So please keep on watching. So to start this look, we are going to start with the eyes. I usually start my eyes either way because I do not like fallout. So we are going to start with the eyes, and the palette I'm going to use today is the Morphe Brushes 35H Hotspot. So I basically went into Ulta and searched everywhere for the perfect color to use for this look, and I am telling you, light blue is a hard color to find for some odd reason. I went through every single line and I could not find it. This was the closest I can find to a very light blue. I'll probably mix it in with the silver color that's right next to it, which is called Ripple Off. So I really love the Tarte Shape Tape because it does dry down pretty quickly. Therefore, I don't have to set the Shape Tape concealer, but I still usually do. So I'll be setting my Shape Tape powder with the Flower by Beauty Bakery. And so what I noticed in the Ariana Grande video, even though I haven't seen the video just yet, in the pictures it looks like she uses a lighter brown color in her crease, and then on her lid is a very light blue, almost like a crystally powder blue, almost like what was really in back in like the early 2000s, which I think is so funny. So I'm going to first start with the brown color, and I'm going to use something that's a little more gray. And making sure you drag out the color this way. So next we are going to apply that blue color that I was talking about. So what I did is I mixed the blue with that silvery color, and I think it came out to the most perfect color. I'm going to go back in and blend the blue a little bit more with the brown so it's more seamless. I'm sorry. So I was looking at her photos from the video, and I first saw and thought that she was wearing a black eyeliner, but then she recently just posted another picture where it was brown eyeliner. So what I decided to do, because I don't really have a good gel brown liner, I'm going to substitute it and use a liquid lipstick that I have from Smashbox. Okay, so I'm going to apply my foundation. Do not hate me for this. Yes, I'm going to apply it with my fingers. I don't care. It does apply really nicely because your fingers are warm and I can apply in any direction that I need to. My hands are clean. I just washed them before starting this video, so don't hate on me for using my fingers. And I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Light Neutral. Now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty contour stick to bring my face some more color. Using a blush brush, I'm now going to apply my Hoola Caramel Bronzer. This I'm going to put in to create even more depth in my face. So I just tap just a little bit on my brush, tap my brush, and I'm going to start at my hairline and work my way forward. And I'm just dusting a small amount on my cheeks to create even more depth and contour. I'm going to take Coralista and I'm going to apply it on the higher part of my cheeks. And then also from the same palette, we are going to use the Cookie Highlighter. And we're going to apply it way at the top of my cheek. Next, I'm going to be using my Precisely My Brow in shade 3. So I'm going to try to create a little bit more of a straighter brow because Ariana Grande always has a straighter brow. Even though I have more of an arch, I'm just going to try my best to create a straighter brow. I'm gonna put this in there.
Probably get 1,000 likes.
Alright, get out.
Yeah.
Stop! I'm actually gonna put that in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my Cabrow gel from Benefit Cosmetics in 3.5 and just define my eyebrows a little bit more. Lastly, to finish off the makeup look, I am going to use my Morphe brushes new liquid lipstick. This one is called Vanity. Hey everybody, this is, oh shit. Hey everybody, thank you for, oh shit. Damn it, I already messed up. No, Gianna Lauren Beauty. I hear chips in the background.
Alright, just put them away.
Oh my god.
Break up with your girlfriend.
I need